Yeah, it's April, and it's time for VEDA. VEDA, VEDA, VEDA.
What's up, everybody? It is your girl Glenda, and we are back with another episode of Whatcha Cookin Glenda. We are on our way. Husband's over here off the camera. You can't see him.
Amen.
We are on our way to pick up our SAMS order. If you watched yesterday's video, I was doing HEB, and I told y'all I needed to also do a SAMS video as well. So we are on our way. We're in the garage, but we're on our way to SAMS, and we'll see y'all when we get to the curbside pickup. All right, y'all. So we got husband right here too. So listen, we're doing our second trunk haul, and it's our Sam's trunk haul. So pretty much everything that's out that is in the trunk needs to like stay out in the garage, so it don't make sense to take it in and do the haul and all of that. So we're gonna do a trunk haul. All right, let's get started. All right, so we've got our toilet paper right here. Under that, we've got our paper towels. And then, oh, they were so nice enough to put our stuff in a box. So in this box, several bags of chips. We got some Ruffles. We've got our On the Border. That's going to be for my mom's birthday, part of the deal, the dinner. Back here is onion powder, because I ran out of onion powder, y'all. Man, that was so awkward to be out of onion powder. Garlic powder, Wolf Brand chili, more chips, some Lay's, regular Ruffles, sour cream and onion, bag of sugar down here. Then we've got some paper plates. And we have our beef franks right here. We love these, y'all. They the quarter pound. They as fat as you think they are. Exactly. So got 2 of those. And is that it?
That's it.
You sure?
I'm part of it.
I feel like the regular beef franks was part of this. Okay. Wasn't part of this order. All right, y'all. So that is our haul for today. My back hurting, so let me sit down. That's our haul from Sam's, and we'll see y'all on the next episode of Whatcha Cookin Glenda. Bye.